Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and good evening to all. Okay, thank you for joining for class Business Research Methods. Okay, for this class, actually already joins for PhD student. We have 20 students. Okay, welcome Jasim Mohdad Ibrahim Jasim, Al-Yamahi Ahmad Saif Muhammad Al-Yuh, Mailang Amiruddin Lamidi, Al-Shahshi Ahli Ahmad Abdul Dalak, Al-Masafri Amal Hamad Muhammad Dabun, Al-Mahiri Fatimah Ali Ahmad Syafi, Han Mustafa Rahman, Al-Ziyaudi Ali Muhammad Ali Sobaik, Aida Musa Yusuf Abdul Rahman, Sheikh Ha Musa Yusuf Abdul Rahman, Al-Naqi Kalfan Salih Muhammad Al-Hiraj, Nur Fazrin Muhammad Aris, Maskari Hana Sultan Said Chen Zijian, Sheng Tian Lun, Shahrizad binti Abdul Razak, Al-Zahbi Sultan Rashid Sultan Jasmo, Sastitaran anak lelaki Manukaran, Li Yating Vinesh anak lelaki Balasudran. So we have 20 students from PhD, we have PhD student, 20 students. Okay, 80% is from international. We have 4 from the locals. Okay, this is from a PhD student. So this class also joined for master research students. So we are also welcome to the master students. So as the total, we have 8 students: Zhao Yang, Zhang Chauping, Jahliwati binti Jaafar, Nurul Ashikin binti Abdul Wahid, Muhammad Syaiful Hanif bin Khairi, Muhammad Hafiq bin Abdul Hasin, Satu Nashwari anak perempuan N Ragunathan, Nur Izzati binti Abdul Razak. Okay, so far, right now, as total, we have 8 students from the master. So we have 20 students for the PhD. Okay, welcome to this class, Business Research Methods. So this is the first class. So, but the attendance is not good today because only join is only 12 from 28. Half. It's not half. Not achieved half actually as the total as students. So we have already 12 students only for the first class. I hope so that our attendance is much better for the next class. Hopefully, inshallah. Okay. Okay. So the most important today, the first topic. Okay. Because I'm still wait for all the students and should be our attendance should be full. I hope for the next week our attendance is really good. So I will be discuss on the parts of the assignments. So is really important. Really important. So everyone join this Zoom platform. That's time I will be explain for the purpose on the assignment. For today, our topic is about database. Okay, database. Let me share the slide first. Okay. Okay, I share the full screens. Okay, it's good. Okay.
عندي اجتماع الحين تبي شيء كلمة يا أحمد.
Okay, all right.
أحمد ما حل الحين وش تبي منه؟
Okay, everyone. So we actually try to cover 31 thesis database. Okay, before we start, some of students, especially on the PhD and a master student, do a thesis. Okay, we always face the problems to find related thesis and that match with our topics. Okay, very difficult. You have obstacles, you have challenge to find lines and then match your topics based on the previous thesis. We will assist you in order to complete or you get some idea how to write through the chapter by chapter in thesis. That's why really important, you need to find suitable, good thesis from the previously. I hope so that you refer the current thesis, 2021, 2020, 2019, 18, 17, 16. Please refer the current thesis from worldwide. Okay, worldwide platform. That's why we cover 31 Stasis database, not only in Malaysia, but cover in the worldwide. So this is actually, we are go through on the website. So I already give this slide in our group WhatsApp. Please refer this slide. So because this slide is really important in order to find related and good thesis. Why thesis is really important? Why? Okay, because you need have directions. For me, the most critical part is about your research flow, activity, and directions. Okay, you should be refer thesis, not necessarily the same topics. Okay, I repeat again, in order to find good thesis, not necessarily refer the same topics. The most important thing is actually follow the research activity. For example, this is an example. We through the objective. Objective number one, for example, this is an example objective number one. You want to identify, for example, your objective number one is to identify the factors. Okay, it's okay, whatever topic, it's okay. But the most important thing, your research activity is to identify the level of factors. So you need to find the thesis, actually a same objective. It's not the same topics. So you need to find others previous thesis, good thesis, also do the same thing. So the objective number one is to identify the level of factors. Then you know that how to be right. From this objective, how to write in literature review, how to design in your methodology, how to analyze this objective. Whatever you write in your thesis, in chapter 2, literature review, your methods, your analysis, your discussion, your conclusion, you should be referred on your objective. How to do the research to answer your research objective. Okay, I repeat again, in order to find good thesis, not refer the thesis is necessary, not refer thesis, just only refer on the same topics. The most important thing, you need to find a thesis is exactly the same direction on your research objective. That's the most important thing. Some people, some students always worry. So I cannot find that thesis from previously that same with my topics. I have the problem. I have a challenge. Yes, that's why you have the problems. So because you find a similar topic, you need to refer a thesis because you need to check, you need to find a same and similar on your research objective. It's not the topics. That I'm highlight 3 times for you. So they're really important that if you to find the same topic, so what for? If you are my student, if you want to study a same topic from the previously, I cannot approve. Because why you need do a same research? Because previous done actually. So that's why you need to refer a thesis, a same direction on research objective. It's not topics. Okay. All right. Okay. We go through one by ones. Okay. Okay. Number one is actually from ethos. Okay. Before we go through one by one. Okay. If you have the question, if you have the questions, so in time to times, okay, you can use a chat, and we have the chat platform. You can write a question. I can see the blink color, so I can notice if I can see the blink color, the blink on the chat section. I will be read your opinion or your questions. So regarding on our lecture and our sharing, if you have any question, please. Okay, we make it informal. You can directly ask in the live section, or you want to be properly, if you want to write detail, so you can write in chat platform, and then you can write anything, whatever you want to ask, you can write. Okay, in the chat platform. Okay, we straight away go to the number one is a ethos. Okay, ethos is e-thesis online services. It's actually this one from the Britain's platform. Okay, so it's number one. We go through one to one. So we have 31s. So we start with number one with the ethos. So this is the links. So this is a link, ethos.bl.uk/home.do. So this your website. Okay. So this website, this is about some like introductions. What's meaning of the ethos? Or ethos is the UK National Thesis Service, which aim to maximize the visibility and availability of the UK doctoral research thesis. So it's about we can get the full tag thesis from the UK doctoral research thesis. Okay, you can read more and more from this slide. Okay. Okay, before we start to search and the topics, okay, we need to register first. Okay, when you go to the website, whatever website, okay, wherever website, especially on the Thesis online database, you need to register first. It's a very simple registration, no need to pay. Okay, it's a free platform. Just click ethos. Okay, this one, new to ethos. So you click register. Okay, once you click register, they have some regulation here, term and condition. Please click accept. So I accept that regulation. Okay, this is the commons regulations. Okay, then you need to register. Please write your emails, your password, and your contact details. Okay, just make it simple. Information here. Please fulfill all that requirements. Okay, when you detail on this matter, please register. Once you complete, key in every single things, please click register. Okay, they are notified, will be informed you with your email. Based on your registration email, they are give the information, ethos new customer registration have done. Okay, then you can start to explore to the ethos. Okay, once you're already registered, you can see, you can, for example, in my case, they have already done my name actually. And Nurul Fazli Habidin. Okay, so this is a good part. Okay, before your start to explore and what searching. So we have 500,000 total thesis. Okay, we can start the search. That before of that, you need to register first. Okay, now we need to search. And based on your topic, we call that new search. Okay, still in the same platform in ethos. Okay, for example, this example, okay, please write in your topic. In my case, my topic is Lean Six Sigma. Okay, you write down your topic, your own topics. Okay, click search. Okay, click search. And then you can get more and more result here. Okay, so we have sort by. You can sort by year, meaning that every sorting follow the letters. Okay, if you want to sort by relevant, it's going to your keywords. So relevant actually match your keywords. If you want to find the current 2021 thesis, please sort by year. Okay, so you can start to explore. Go to the next, go to page by page, next by page to explore on your topics. Okay, so you can repeat again. Okay, you can repeat again. So try to explore another keywords, match on your topics to explore to this database ethos. For example, I'm interested for this second topic, leadership for Lean Six Sigma, that I'm interested. Okay, so I just click the titles. So they will go to another page. I just click a download, and from the ethos, just click the download. So we go to another terms and conditions. I just agree and term and conditions. So I click that the contents, then I click a download. So I already get the full tag thesis from 228 from the Starlight Glasgow University. Okay, from the Alessandro Laureni. So meaning that when I put the face smile here, meaning that I can get the full text. That's the most important. Okay. All right. This is the number one. Okay. Number one. Okay. We can also use the advanced search. Okay. First thing first, we try to explore the new search. Okay. We can also explore regarding on the advanced search. Okay. Same platform. So here in the ethos, we have new search and advanced search. So you can explore on advanced search also. Okay. We click advanced search. Okay. We can put as many as your relevance. In this case, I put 3 keywords, meaning that advanced search, you can write more than 1 keywords. In this case example, I share with the 3 keywords, Lean Six Sigma, performance, and manufacturing. What's different between new search and advanced search? If you use the new search, you can only use 1 keywords. But The advantage, use the advanced search, you can write more than one keyword. In this example, I use 3 keywords. And then I click go. Okay, click go. That I have a few related here. That if I interest on the third topic, a framework incorporate Lean Six Sigma and life cycle assessment is sustainable manufacturing. So I just click a title. Okay, I click for the access for institutions because we cannot access from the ethos. From here, you can check full text unavailable. So we go to the second option, access for the institution. Just click the link. Okay, then you click the download to get the full text. Then suddenly you can get the full text from this research. Okay, from Haitham Khalifa Masud Fargani. So you can get the full text using the advanced search. Okay, first you try for the new search. Second time you can use also for the advanced search. Okay, that's the first platform. Okay, everyone can follow. Please respond in chat. Everyone can follow these approach methods. So we go through website by website. Okay, I hope after class you need to explore in your PC. Okay, in this class I just to share with you 31 platform or database or website in order to get the full text thesis. So as student and PhD student, master student, you have we call that hobby or collector. You should have thesis collector. You need to have many theses, as many as you can. So this is really important. As the postgrad student, you need to read more and more thesis. Before you start to read a thesis, you need to know how to get the good thesis. Okay, that's why I share this for the first class. Okay, all right. We go the second part, the HKU Scholar Hub. Okay, this is from Hong Kong. The first ethos from the UK. So we go through the second one, the HKU from the Scholar Hub. Okay, so this is from the Hong Kong. Okay, HKU website. Okay, http://hub.hku.hk. And it's okay. Don't worry because I already passed in the WhatsApp group. So I already passed the slide. So you can refer a slide after this. Okay. Don't worry. Okay. So this is the background of the Scholar Hub. So HKU Scholar Hub is based on the University of Hong Kong, HKU. So this is really good. For me, Hong Kong University is something very good thesis that we call that new. So if I try to explore the new topic, HKU, the best university that represent previous thesis. That's why my experience, my first doctorate is engineering. So in 2008, I'm studying doctorate engineering. Okay, so I always refer thesis from this Hong Kong university. Okay, okay, this is their interface. Okay, and again, before we start to explore, you can register first. Okay, register before we explore. So we have many options here. We have publication, researcher, organization, grant, dataset, thesis. So this matter in our class, we need to explore a thesis. Okay, so this is a push of how to register. So please click new user, click to the register. So you please give the email and then register. So everything give the information from your emails. Okay, please click from your emails after registration. And again, please fulfill another information that required. So you need to click the complete register after you're done. Okay, then you have complete your registration. So we go through the homepage. So from the homepage, so our objective is our objective to explore a thesis. So please click thesis. Okay, so this is a platform from the search part. So this also have the advanced search. You can use more than one keywords. Okay, because they have plus here. So meaning that you can do a filter also. So from the degree thesis, department, degree level. So or in my case, I just use all degrees, all department, all degree because we just only focus on one universities. Difference with the ethos. So ethos cover the UK, many university, but in this case, just only for University of Hong Kong. Okay, I show you some example. Okay, I write down quality management. Okay, I type quality management. then I click search. Okay, I don't do any filter here. Okay, you can do the filter, but the first experience, I give some tips, not use the filter. Just write down your keywords and then please click search. Okay, if you find too many, then you can start using the filter. Okay, then I can get around 80 from the keyword quality management. I can get the 80 thesis. So I can use the sorting issue date to sorting from the year, new from the old. So I can click the issue date. Okay, because this is actually their search based on the relevant matters. So if I want to find that the very latest thesis, I can click the issue dates. Okay. So from here, they have some of the related topic start 2017, but I go through and go through. So when you go through the topic, and for example, you go through a topic, for example, this topic, I select the topic number 4, reframe education quality in Hong Kong sub-degree college, management strategy and student perception. So I think this is a good topic. For me, this is a good topic. Reframe education quality is actually good topics. Okay, so I just click the topic. Okay, then click the full text, download for the full text PDF. Okay, this is another requirement. Don't worry, just put your name and email again. Okay, put your name and your email again. Then tick, I have read the agree of terms. Okay, just I write my name, email, and then agree the terms. Just I click submit. So there you can refer your email. They give you link from the email. Please click the link and then you can get the full text. And you can get the full text from the Hong Kong. So reframe education quality in Hong Kong sub-degree college. So this is how you can get the full text thesis from the Hong Kong University. Okay. All right. Before we go through the number 3, so everyone have respond. So everyone agree to follow this example. So these links. Okay, we straight away go to the third universities. Okay, Scholar Works. Okay, why 31? Why 31? So why I'm refer 31 this database? Because this is the free platform. So everyone can be accessed. You can get the full text. That's why I'm share 31 database. So in future maybe I can share more and more, but I difficulties to share more and more because some university we difficulty to get the access. We cannot get the full text. That's why I just only share 31. I think that this university, this platform is quite friendly. So just we key in our keywords, okay, one or more that we can get. When after that we can access. We can get an access to the full text. Okay, we go to the number 3, Scholar Work, Georgia State Universities. So this is a link. scholarwork.gsu.edu. Okay, this is a little bit introductions. What's the functions and options? The role actually, the Scholar Works is actually university highlight the research and scholarship to member of the university community. So they have achieved to collect, organize, disseminate, and perceive digital scholarly. So actually they are also provide the digital scholarly. For example, thesis. Okay, this is their interface. Okay, please refer the browse research scholarship, college scholar. Then behind they have thesis and dissertation. Please click thesis and dissertation. Okay, once you click thesis and dissertation, they have some advanced search here. Okay, in this case, I just use 2 keywords. My first keyword is supply chain. My second keyword is the frameworks. So I sort by relevant based on topic, supply chain and framework. Then I click search. Okay, so based on the keyword of supply chain and frameworks, after I click search, I can find 5 relevant theses. So they have 5. I'm looking the number 3, the role of collaborative governance in blockchain enabling supply chain, a proposed frameworks. Okay, so I'm interested in this topic. I just click the titles and then I can get the full text from Georgia State University. So they have 155 page. Okay, it's program in business administration. Okay, actually more suitable in our class because our class also the business research method. Okay, you can get the full text. Okay, we try another keywords. See, I try to topic leadership transformations. My second keyword is teachers. Okay, I click search and then I get 6 result here. So I need the letters. I can go to the filter. I just click 2020. We have 2 thesis 2020. So I just click the topic perception of transformation leadership, the effect of organization justice for English language learner. Okay, I just click the topics and then I can get the full text. Okay, 123 page. Okay, but the most important thing, we need to follow our UPSI formats. So in our case in UPSI, for the PhD student, you need to at least 80,000 words, and this actually depends. Other university in the worldwide, I think no issue on the number of page. Okay, for example, I have experience in Malaysia. For example, UTM, University Technology Malaysia, I can submit only 40 page for the PhD thesis. So some universities page is not issues. But in our case in UPSI, you need to follow our format. You need to write more and more because our regulation is 80,000. Okay. Okay, we go through number 4. This space from MIT. Okay. Okay, this is their link. Okay, their http thisspace.mit.edu. Okay, so this is actually also to provide some of the article and thesis also. Okay, we straight away, because we are already familiar. So this approach, okay, this 31 database approach, just we need to go to the website, then we explore, use an advanced search or new search based on our topic and get the full tag and get the access for the thesis. Okay, click advanced search, and then they have also show the advanced filter. You can click the advanced filter. Okay, here I write down 3 keywords. My first keyword is lean, second keyword performance, second keyword is hospital. Then I click apply or something like search. Okay. Okay, so I'm interested this topic towards high performing hospital enterprise architectures, elevating hospital to lean enterprise thinking. I interest this topic, just click. I can get the full text. Before to get the full text, please click download, and then you can get the full text. Okay, and from the MIT, and you can get the full text. Okay, we try another function of this database. Okay, I try to browse by issue dates. Okay, for example, I search 2020, but now you can search using 2021. Okay, in my case, 2020, I click go. So I can see that the new topic. So because I'm the new student, and in this semester, I start to think that what exactly topic suitable in my PhD thesis or master thesis. So I just to explore. If you have, if your stage actually, now your early stage, for example, for the new students, semester 1. So this is the early semester that you need to find the suitable topics. You can write down a year here. For in this case, 2020, and click go. So I'm interested this topic, entrepreneurial organization and human capital. For me, this is a good topics. Okay, very simple, but very relevant and practical currently. And actually, I just click entrepreneurial organization and human capital, and then click a download. And then I can get the full text, a new thesis actually, from MIT. Okay. Okay, we go to the number 5. We go to another country now in Canada. So they have Thesis Canada portal. Okay, we call that Thesis Canada portals. So this is a link. Okay, this is a link. Okay, you can go through the slide. Okay, or you can copy the link. Or you just write down in the Google. You can also just type Thesis Canada portal. You can get this website also. Okay, this is we call that Library and Archive Canada LSC. So they have thesis and dissertation collections. So straight away we click search for the thesis from Canada or the Thesis Canada. Okay, they have here in order to explore the search and Thesis Canada, you can use a keywords. Okay, in this case, my keyword is healthcare management. Okay, If you want to write down the authors, another thing you can use. But in this case, this example, I just write healthcare management in any keywords. You can also write in the title keyword also. But in my exploration, I just to explore from the any keyword, I write down healthcare management, then I click search. Okay, once I'm click search, I can notify have 10 results here. So I can make it sorting by publication of dates. So I'm interested from the thesis from 2016 toward effective oral healthcare management and provisions, a mixed method study on quality with academic dentists of the UAE. So I interest this topic. I just click that topic, then click the others link in order to get the full text. Okay, then I click download PDF. Then suddenly I can get the full text from the MGIL University Montreal. Okay, Faculty of Dentistry. Okay, I can get the full text from thesis 2015. Okay, okay. Now I try to another part. Previously I used any keywords. Now I try to I'm trying to write the keywords from the title keywords. So I write down sustainable developments. I refer thesis from 2016 in English. Okay, I can find a few four result here from my keywords. So I'm interested in topic is corporate social responsibility, effective intervention for sustainable development, the case of Canadian mining company in Burkina Faso. So I just click, okay, and then I click the link. Okay, I can get the full text. Okay. All right, we go through the number 6. This one from the Australians. And from Canada, we go through Australians. Trove Australian Digital Thesis. Okay, this is a link, trove.nla.government.au. Okay, actually Trove help to find and use resources relating to Australia. So the most important thing, we need to get the sum of the material, either thesis or the article journal. Okay. Okay, this is their interface. Okay, please straightway click the advanced search. Okay, so this is another requirement you need to fulfill. As basically, you can write in the area on the title, please add your keywords. So in this case, I write quality management. So I make it filter. I just need to find that latest thesis from 2020 only. So I need to format thesis, not article journal. So I filter thesis year 2020 and my keyword is quality management. Then I click search. Okay, from this search, I find that 4 actually more relevance that I'm interested this topic and exploration of factor influence quality management system implementation, the case of Australian construction industry. So I'm interested, just click a title, then I click a link, and then I can get the full text from the Queensland University of Technology, among the good university actually, Queensland's. So the topic on the exploration factor influence quality management system implementation, the case of the Australian construction industry. This is a new thesis actually from 2020. Okay. Okay, we try to find. I believe that I just to explore and try and error. Okay, just I think that many researcher from Malaysia, many PhD and master student from Malaysia. Just I write Malaysia here from the title area. So I just write Malaysia's. Okay, I write just Malaysia to find thesis 2020. Just click search. I can notice actually they have 6 thesis from Malaysia. Just so I noticed from the Muhammad Azrai Azman. Their topic is diversification, institution and productivity performance of large construction firm in Malaysia. Just click the title, click the link for the full text. Suddenly I can get the full text from the Muhammad Azrai Azman. So the topic on the diversification, institution and productivity performance of large construction firm in Malaysia. So this is a new thesis 2020. Okay. Okay, we go to the number 7, NDLTD, Global ETD Search. Okay, this is a link. Okay, this is a link, and then this is a little bit information in order to get the ETD electronic thesis dissertations from the network digital library and thesis and dissertation NDLTD. Okay, this another platform. Okay, you can using the Boolean technique. Say some example. You can make it search from the example here. So I follow the example. My keyword is 2 keywords is lean and performance. Then I click search, and then I get the around the 1 to 10 of 180. So I get some 10 here more related because I make it filter 2015 to 2020 in English only, because the LTD also provide in the language of French. So I just need for the English 180 from the language English. Okay. From this matter, I interested topic number 5, lean accounting come to lean software developers. I just click the titles and then click the links and downloads. And then suddenly I can get the full tag for the lean accounting comes to the lean software development. 2018 actually. Okay, you can get the full text thesis. Okay, we go to number 8, UFDC, University of Florida Digital Collections. Okay, this is one from University of Florida. Okay, this is a link, ufdc.ufl.edu. So same thing, they have a lot of the collection here, include thesis, okay, from the University of Florida. Okay, please click the advanced search. Okay, click advanced search. And then in this case, this example, I just use one keyword. You can add more than one keyword. But in this example, I just add a keyword is supply chain management. And then click a search. Okay, I have 15 here, but I make it filter by year. I make it filter by year. So I can know that the thesis have 7 here. Okay. I interest this topic, operation management and marketing interface. Sometimes I think that this is a very fundamental research, very basic research. So I need to learn something from operation management and marketing interface. So I believe that the year is quite old, 2009, but it's maybe it's something I can learn from this thesis. Okay, just I click this title, then suddenly I can get I click download this PDF. Then get the full PDF. This most important thing. But sometimes I'm recommendly please refer the currently thesis 5 years back only. But sometimes some happen you need also to refer old thesis because some old thesis also bring something good knowledge for us. Okay, number 9 is e-scholarships, University of California. Okay, this is a link, escholarship.org. This one from the University of California. So also bring ETD. So this platform also will be share a lot of the electronic thesis and dissertations. Okay, this is their interface. So you can see now we have 2,278 and 402 items, meaning that thesis. So they have a lot of thesis actually. So we go through, click the thesis here. Once you click a thesis, go through the platform of the thesis. Okay, you can start make it search also. Okay. Okay, in this case, you can also click the search here. I write down is the topic is COVID-19. I just to make it key in the topic is COVID-19. Okay. So I find that 51 result. For the keyword of COVID-19, I get 51 results. So I interesting this topic, detecting coronavirus disease 2019 pneumonia in chest X-ray image using deep learning. I just click and then I get the full text. You can see that how fast international researcher, okay, 2019 thesis, they cover the topic of the COVID-19. So this is a very current topic. Yes, this one just only master, but this topic is very interesting. So because we have some researcher in University of California cover a topic on the COVID-19. Okay, number 10 is that Europe. Okay, we go through the Europe. So this is the link, www.dateurope.eu. So that Europe is a partnership of the research library and library consortia who are working together to improve global access. So again, so our target and our objective to get more and more theses. So this is another platform, Network Digital Library, this thesis and dissertation LDLD. Okay, so from the .euro, you can search. We have around 828,000 more covered on the 619 university, 28 country. So this is another platform you cannot be missing. You need to explore the Europe because they have a lot of the thesis. Okay, I just write down the keyword is very simple, straight away. I put a words management, click search. So they have many here, but the country cover UK, Germany, Netherlands, France, and Sweden. So maybe you need to choose the UK because it's very difficult to understand the others language. So maybe you need to click UK. Okay. So this also you can also filter year if you want. Okay. In this case, I'm filter just only 2019 UK. So from this filter, I interest this topic, aligning organization sustainability needs. Okay. Then I click the links. And then I can get the full text. A topic aligning organization sustainability, need and stakeholders request, the materiality balance scorecard. Okay, we go through the 11th, Scholar Bank, University of Oregon. Okay, this is a link. So Scholar Bank also have the open access repository, include thesis and dissertations. So we go through, click the advanced search. So in this case, my keyword only put, I'm right, lean. And then I click search. Okay, then I can get the second topics and application of lean methodology for improved information security. I'm interested in this topic. Just click the titles and then click the views for the PDF formats. And suddenly I can get the full text. Okay, the topic application of lean methodologies for improving information security. Okay, this thesis is from 2018. Okay, I'm trying another keywords. I try put a keyword, a problem management. I click search and then I click view open to get the format PDF. Then suddenly I can get the full text thesis also. Okay, we go through the number 12 and AUETD, Auburn Universities. Okay. Okay, I have question here in the chat. We can use this thesis from any years. So hopefully you can, no problem. Hannah asks, can we refer thesis from any years? Yes, my answer yes. But the most importantly, because some of the panels, your supervisor, your panel in proposal defense or the viva, their request for the current years based on your citation. So when we refer a thesis, we need to do some citation. You read a thesis, some have fact here, they have finding. From the finding you want to quote or you want to cite, mostly panel and supervisor agree you need to cite from the 5 years back. 5 years back meaning that 2022, 2021, 2020, 2019, 18. For example, so if we include 2022 lah, so 2018 to 2022. That's we call that recently, currently. 5 years only. Okay, but in order to understand get the sum of knowledge, learn about methodology, learn about the how to write literature review, how to write methodology, you can refer for the previous research. But I'm still recommend please refer current year thesis because it's also when you read a thesis, you can also cite. So the panel and supervisor agree. If the student can cite for the recently years. Okay, that's my feedbacks lah based on your question. Okay, thank you Hannah for your questions. Okay, number 12 is AUETD, Auburn Universities. Okay, Auburn University. Okay, and again, if you have any question, please write something in the chat area, chat platform. So we continue. AUETD, etd.auburn.edu. Okay, this is a interface of the Auburn websites, Auburn University. So they have search AUETD. Okay, I'm right here, leadership. The keyword is leadership. Click the search. Okay, then I get some of the 899. You can make it filter if you want. So, but the most important tip, I interest this topic. Leadership resiliency with the rural superintendents. I just click the title. Okay, click the file in order to get the PDF. Then suddenly I get a full text. Okay, this is thesis from 2019. A topic leadership resilience and the topic is leadership resiliency with the rural superintendents. Okay, we try to another. So because I can see that they have a lot of theses. I just to browse, to check, to find what is exactly current topics. We can also explore or you can filter by issue dates. I try to explore 2020, try to find that exactly nowadays, what exactly the current topics. I just want to explore. Okay. I make it, I key in 2020 and click search. So from the topic, I'm interested this topic 2020 from Elizabeth, an approach to create commercially successful portable electronic audio device through the design and marketing. So I just click topic, then click click a file from the PDF and get the full text. This is a current topic 2020 thesis. Once I try to search from the filter year only 2020, I can get this thesis, an approach to create commercial successful portable electronic audio device through design and marketing. Okay. Okay, we go through the 13th wired space. Okay, this is the links. Wired space. Okay, we go to the search. Okay, we go to the search. In this case, I just write leadership and click go. Okay, then I'm interested in the topic clinical leadership competency, new qualified nurse, understanding and needs. Just click, and then I click view opens, and then I get the full text. Clinical leadership competency. Okay, we go through 14 UWETD from University of Washington. Okay, this is a link. Okay, this is some like introduction lah. So we are already familiar on this. Just to make it okay, I put a slide, at least introduce a little bit what is a UWETD. Actually, did a collection based on the thesis from University of Washington. So we go through the title. We can search through the titles. Okay, I just write leadership here. For example, click go. And then I interest this topic, leadership learning technology, a case study for University of Washington. So I just click and then click the PDF file and then get the full text. And leadership learning technology, a case study of University of Washington. This is a thesis, master thesis actually, Master of Education from 2015. Okay, for the postgrad, if you are a PhD student or master student, we can cite, meaning that if you study PhD, you can cite master thesis. If you are degree student, you are master student, you can cite master work and PhD work. So postgrad work is okay, but please don't copy or don't read the thesis from undergraduate, from the bachelor, cannot be. You just can read and cite from the postgrad. As PhD, you can read and cite from the PhD thesis and master thesis. And for the master student, you can cite both also. You can read and cite from the PhD and master work also. Okay, that's little bit information. Okay, 15 CEU, Central of European Universities. This is a link. Okay, okay, to get the thesis and dissertation also. So we need to browse a thesis. Okay, click the doctoral schools. I choose doctoral school here because they need to make it selective. So just example, I click doctoral school in cognitive science. And then I find the first topic, interaction between supervised and unsupervised information in human category learning. I just click on this title, click the online access, a PDF file, and then I can get the full text. Okay. All right. Before we go through the 16, because we already cover half. So we have the total, we have 31 database, but we have already complete the 50 database. So any questions, everyone? Any questions? So if you ask me, does we need to explore the all 31 database? My answer is yes. As the student, no option, no excuse. If you want to get the thesis, you need to explore and explore. How you want to explore is based on your hard working to get the information. Now I try to give you the best information. I already shared the link 31 database. Not many students know on this. So you are very lucky. So bersyukur alhamdulillah you can know that how to get the database. So I already give to share today's 31 database. Please explore and explore. In order to get the more understanding about what is thesis, you need read a thesis. Once you read article journal, maybe article journals, many things hidden. You just make it a simplify article, maybe 6 or 20 page. So not enough to explain detail rigorously. On thesis, we easy to understand because in thesis they are write very step by step, process by process, paragraph by paragraph. It's easy to us as the student can learn easy from read from the thesis. But the most important thing, how to get the thesis, how to get the better thesis, how to get which platform, which database, which website. So that's why we start our class on this thesis. Okay, from the next week, I try to help you to assist you on the article journals. So how to find a lot of the article journal. So today cover thesis, next week we cover article journal. Okay. What's the damn minimum number of reference support your thesis? Oh, I don't have the specific minimums. For me, because I believe that when I start my study PhD, everything I need to explore. So how many numbers? So I don't bring any specific number for the minimums. So because I start to think, okay, today is my PhD. I am as a PhD student in the first semester. I'm changed my hobby. My hobby right now is the thesis collector. So once I find the thesis, I make it a folder. For example, my PC have many folders. So I open a few titles my folders. So I find the thesis. This thesis is more suitable for our methodology chapters. So this thesis are more suitable for the literature review chapters. So I just make it the folder and folder. I have many and many time to time. So upgrading. So maybe this month I get 5 theses. So another month I get 11, 20, 25 theses. Time to time, I'm non-stop. So until I submit my thesis, I'm still get and more update my thesis. That's the most important thing. Okay. That's the most important lah, the question of the minimum number. So we cannot think that we cannot stop. The best answer, Ali Sobat, we cannot think that, okay, this is my first semester, I already explored the 31 database, that you just ignore. Because now in 2021, next year 2022. So start 2022, you need to again to explore, because maybe you can find that very current thesis. Okay. Maybe right now you just covered on the 2019, 2020, the current parts of the thesis. Okay, you can get also another current thesis. Okay, that's the most important. Okay. Okay, that's the comments. Okay, all right. We can we make it a take 5? I just make it a take 5 because we done cover 50% of the database. We have done of 15. Database, we have another 16 database to cover as the total 31. So I hope so. I'm request everyone. I think also we need at least break. So we give you 5 minutes breaks. Okay. So we continue after that for the 60 until 31 database. Okay. We take 5. Thank you very much. Okay, we continue from this thesis database. We continue for the number 16. 16 actually from the Pakistan Research Repository, PRR. Okay. So this is a link, prr.hec.government.pk/jspui/. So this is a Pakistan Research Repository from the Higher Education Commission, Islamabad. Okay. We click a thesis here. 01 thesis, click here. So we can write your keywords from this as for this searching from this search platform. So I just write example leadership here, click go, and then have as a lot of the related on the keyword on leadership at the collection of the from the thesis collection. Okay, I'm interested in this topic, leadership behavior of the secondary and high secondary institution, principle, a critical indicator of education climates. So I just click from the thesis 2018. So click view opens and then get the full text. Okay, need full text from the University of Karachi and from Pakistan. Okay, I tried to another keywords, and this time I tried to explore based on the year, so to check what is actually the current topic. I just sort by date, so I just looking the title actually. From the title, I can see any topic that I'm interested. So I just to check what is actually topic in 2020. So I can see the comparative study because I need to learn what is meaning of the comparative study. So I choose this topic and to explore to get the full text thesis. A comparative study on instructional supervision in Army Public School and College and Federal Government Education Institution in Pakistan. I just click this topic and then click the view open and get the full text thesis 2020 topics. Okay. All right. We go to the 17th. This is from the Oxford, or sometimes we call that ORA, and Oxford Research Achieve, or the full name is Oxford University Research Achieve. Now we go to Oxford Universities. So this is a link. Okay, this is a part of you want to search. Please enter your search here. So in this matter, I write down my topic is the supply chain management. Click the search. And then I follow, because I make it filter, I make it filter from the thesis only, from the topic supply chains. Okay, so I interest the topic cyber supply chain risk in cloud computing, the effect, transparency, the risk assessment. So I click this topic and then I click the file of PDF. Then I get the full text. This is from the Oxford University, cyber supply chain risk in the cloud computing. Okay, I try to make it another searching. So in this time, I write Malaysia. And then I click button search. So I can notice that a lot of Malaysian people study in Oxford. So in this second topic, a qualitative study to identify appropriate regulatory framework for human stem cell research in Malaysia. So I'm really interested in this topic. I just click the titles, click the link for the PDF, and suddenly I can get the full text from the Muhammad Firdaus bin Abdul Aziz, the topic of the qualitative study to identify appropriate regulatory framework for human stem cell research in Malaysia. So this is a thesis from 2015 from the Oxford Universities. Okay, we go to the 18th from White Rose, a thesis online, University of Leeds. Okay, this is a link, a thesis, the whiterose.ac.uk. Click advanced search. Okay, the keyword is supply chain management. Okay. I can find a few here. This is actually 6 from the keyword from the supply chain management. I can find 6 related match with the keyword search. So I'm interested in this topic. If one implementation of innovation green management method in supply chain, the case of the green manufacturing sector, I click the titles and then click the download. And I get the full text. Thesis 2016 from the Southeast European Research Center of Thessaloniki, from University of Sheffield. So I can get the full text. A topic is implementation of innovative green management method in the supply chain, the case of the green manufacturing sector. Okay, I try another keywords. In this time, my keyword is leadership. Click enter. So I need another thesis from Malaysia. The impact of externally driven change media leadership in Malaysia higher education institutions is actually this one, EDD. education.trade thesis. I click and then I click the download and can get the full text thesis from the lead university. And this one from the School of Education is EDD, education.trade. Okay. All right. The topic, the impact externally driven change on the middle leadership in a Malaysia higher education institution. Okay. We go to from the India. This time the name is Short Ganga Indian Electronic Thesis and Dissertation. Okay, this is a link shortganga.inflibinet.ac.in. Okay, they have almost million thesis here. Okay, and they have more and more thesis here. Please click advanced search. So from the advanced search, I just make it simple. My keyword is supply chain. Then I click go. I notice I have interest topic in just in time here. Applicability of just in time in supply chain and Indian industry. Just click, and then because they have a lot information here, but I just browse just browse and browse. So in the behind we can see that the full text here. But in this format, in the short Ganga format, is actually they have split the file. So one file for TOC, one file for the introduction. Chapter by chapter, they have split file. So in this case, if you want to get the full text thesis, you need to download file by file. Maksud meaning that you have go through chapter by chapter. Okay. If you want to make it complete, here we have the 7 chapter plus on TOC. You need to download. I need to download 8 files. 8 file actually to make it the full set of their thesis. That is another challenge in order to download this method, because they are not friendly. So you need to download chapter by chapter. So take time because you need to download one by one. Okay. For in this case, I just to download, click view open for the chapter 1, then I can get the chapter 1. But if I want to get another chapter 2, I need to download to chapter 2 also. Okay. 20 is OATD, Open Access Thesis Dissertation. So this is a platform for open access actually, oatd.org. Okay, please click advanced search option. So type here, this is just example. You can put your topic. In this, my case is supply chain management. Click search. Okay, click the title. Okay, this topic quite new topic actually. Supply chain analytic implication design supply chain network. So I click this topic. Okay, click the full text, then I can get the full thesis from University John Copping University. Topic supply chain analytics, implication for designing supply chain network. So this thesis from 2019. Okay, 21 PQDT opens, PQDT open.proquest.com.search.html. So they have platform here. You can write down your topic. In my case, I write supply chain management. Click search. I make it filter 2020 only. Then click search. Then I can find the topic number 5. I think that I need to get the full text. This topic, a qualitative case study construction managers understanding of lean thinking. So this one is actually thesis 2020, very current thesis. So I click full text PDF. Okay, I click again for the another links to get the full text. Okay, then I get the full text from the Grand Canyon University, Pioneer, Arizona, 2020 current thesis, a topic on the construction manager understanding of lean thinking on the qualitative case study. Okay, 2022, sorry, 22, Iowa State University Digital Repository. So this is a link, library.dr.istate.edu/etd/. Okay, click advanced search. I write down, sorry, my topic is supply chain, then click search, and then click download for this topic. If I interest the topic, decision making under uncertainties for supply chain optimized, I just click, and then I click the download. Then I get the full text on the topic decision making under uncertainty supply chain optimization thesis from Iowa State University, 2019. Okay, 23 is open thesis. Okay, open thesis. This is the link, www.openthesis.org. So you can enter your keywords here and then click, or you want to explore the advanced search also can. Okay, I just click advanced search and then I type management, then click search. Okay, the topic efficiency from smart asset management in electrical distribution industry. I need this thesis. I click and then I click the view. Then I can get the full text efficiency from the smart asset management in electrical distribution industry 2019 thesis. 24 scholarship Elias Westerns. So this is a link ir.lib.uwo.ca/etd/. So this is actually Western Graduate Postdoctoral Studies from the Western Library. So I click search. Okay, click search, advanced search, sorry. So my title is management. Okay, my keyword is management. Then I'm filter 2018 to 2020. So I'm click search. Okay. I download a topic, a study in a 3 practical management science problem. Click download here. And then I click download to get the full text. Then final, I can get the full text in a good topic actually. A study on 3 practical management science problem. Okay. Just wait because my battery is low. Okay. So in this Western University Scholarship Western, we also can get the very good thesis. In my case, I just type management as the keyword. Suddenly, I'm interested in this topic, a study in 3 practical management science problem. Then suddenly, I can get the full text thesis. We will help me in order to match my PhD topics. Okay, 25, Newcastle's University thesis. So this is a link, thesis.ncl.ac.uk/jspui/. So this is from the Newcastle University thesis. So we click the search area. For this search area, in this case, you can use the advanced search also, but I just make it simple. I just use the normal search. I just type lean. Okay, click go. And then I'm choose the topic implementing, managing, and working under lean, a qualitative case analysis. I'm click, and then I click the view open for the full text PDF. Lastly, I can get the full text. And this is a full text from the topic implementing, managing, and working under lean, a qualitative case study. This thesis from the Newcastle University 2016. Okay. I try another keywords. My next keyword is family business. I click go. And then I find that the current thesis 2020 on the topic family business in Saudi Arabia. I just click the topic, I click the view open, and I get the full text on topic family business in Saudi Arabia, the Newcastle University 2020 thesis. It's a current thesis on the topic family business. Okay, 26, Durham University e-thesis. This is a Durham e-thesis.dur.ac.uk. So click the advanced search. From this part, I just write my topic is lean. This I need just only doctorate thesis. Okay, then click search. Can get the thesis 2015 lean on me, impact study on mutuality, supportive leadership behavior on employee lean engagement. This is actually doctorate thesis from Durham University. I click PDF and get the full text. Okay, I try to get another approach. Before this, I use advanced, so now I use a simples. Okay, so for example, I tried to search from the authors. For in this case, I know that Durham University, we have some people also study in Durham University. In this case, I just to explore Mazli Malik. So I know that Mazli Malik do a PhD in Durham University. I just type Mazli Malik and search. You can search by authors also, not just only by topic, but from the title. You can also search by authors. This authors example, I type Mazli Malik, click search. And then I find that their thesis, constructing the architronic and formulating articulation of Islamic governance, recursive attempt in Islamic epistemology. I click thesis, and then I click the PDF. I can get the full thesis from the Mazli Malik. So these are the topics. Okay, constructing the architronic on formulating the articulation of Islamic governments in recursive attempt in Islamic epistemology. Okay. All right, we go through 27 e-thesis from National Institute of Technology, Rio Kela. Okay, so this is a link, e-thesis.nitrk.ac.in. So kita go to the click the research repository. So click for the advanced search. In this case, I type healthcare. Okay, then I find that number 6, subjective well-being, healthcare and healthcare utilization, a study rural elderly in Odisha. So the thesis 2016, click the title, click the PDF, and then get the full text for the thesis for the doctor for philosophy. 20x, the Open University, ORO. Okay, so the 20x. So this is a link, www.open.ac.uk. So please click the Open Search Online from the interface main website. Click the Open Research Online. So from here, my titles keyword is healthcare. Click search, and then they have some of related topic, related thesis on the keyword on the healthcare. So I'm interested the current topic, medical device regulation, industrial capability, affordable healthcare technology development, case study from UK and South Africa. I'm click this download version of this topic. Then I can get the full text from thesis from the Open University. Okay, this is thesis 2020 and very latest thesis. 29, Georgetown University of Library. So this is a link, repository.library.georgetown.edu.handly. Okay. Okay, this is their main website interface. Okay, I just need to find a search thesis and dissertation. In this case, my search keyword is most. Okay, I click search, and then I find that one thesis, making space Muslim American and progressive gender activists in most after September 11th. I click this topic, and then I click the view source digital Georgetown to get the PDF. Then click the PDF file for the view opens. Okay, final, I can get the full text on the topic on the making space Muslim American and progressive gender activism in most after September 11. Okay, so I go through another website that this is keyword is 2020. Sorry, I use the same website. Or instead in Georgetown University website, but I try to explore on the year. So in this time, I type 2020 and then click search. Okay, so this is some of the topic on 2020. So I'm interested this topic between revivalism, discontinuism, Islam, reform and secularism in the work Taha Abdulhamans and Muhammad Arkan. So I click this one, click the view open and get the full thesis. Okay, number 30, 30. This is from Malaysia. Malaysia Thesis Online, MITO. This is actually from Malaysia. So this is a link. This is a link. mito.upm.edu.my/finds. So this is the interface in the MITO Malaysia Thesis Online website. So they have record 158.847 record for the thesis from the 23 institutions. Okay. So we can use the search here. So I just type lean constructions. So they have find many theses on related on lean constructions. So I'm interested in number 13, guideline of lean critical success factor implementation constructions project. This is from thesis 2019 by Nasrullah Zadeh Tahireh. Okay, from 2019. Okay, I just click the titles. Then I know that this is a thesis from UTM, University of Technology Malaysia, doctoral thesis. Okay, so I just click the link from the online access. And then suddenly I can also get the full text thesis. But sometimes in Malaysia, you cannot get the full text, maybe cover on chapter 1 only. So when we explore and assess on the Malaysia Thesis Online, maybe some of this topic you just can cover only in chapter 1 only. Okay. All right. Last one is 31, Library Guide. So this one from University Malaya. Okay, this is a link, Library Guide from um.edu.my. So this, you can click search more thesis related on Islamic study. Just in case you want to study on the Islamic, click this one. Okay, just and click the religions. Okay, so I can find the topic from this. So actually they have many theses actually here. So 1150x. Just I need to explore. So I am explore this topic in bahasa Melayu, faktor mempengaruhi pembayaran zakat di syarikat tersenarai awam di Malaysia. I just click this thesis and then I click the PDF and then I can get the full text. So this is example another platform you can get in bahasa Melayu thesis. This one from the Academy Pengajian Islam and from University Malaya. Malaysia. So this is another example. You can get a thesis from Malaysia using the platform of Universiti Malaya. So this one Library. Also you can using the Maito Malaysia Thesis Online. Okay, so the database number 30 is from Maito, from the Malaysia. The last one 31, I just give example another from database from Universiti Malaya in order to get the full thesis. Okay, all right. I hope so everyone happy. Everyone please explore after this one by one until 31 to explore, so you get more and more thesis. So in this case in our class, so we also share the video also. So if you want to still watch and listening again this our class, you can also follow our recording. Okay, so in our class we also record and video record in our class. So I still believe that so many our friends not join the first week, so they will be refer this video and slide. Hopefully you get my idea. You can get why you understand my reason why in the first class I share the links of the database thesis, because I need my student. You have you have very good knowledge. You know that what is actually research about, how to write in the thesis, how to get the many thesis. Why we need read more and more thesis? Because you want to write a thesis. It's not easy to write a thesis. Yes, you can write a thesis, but you need to know how to write the thesis. How the best thing, how the best way, what the best style in order to write in your thesis, and to make clear, to make agree with your supervisor and the panel, which is in your proposal defense or the viva. So you need to fulfill the requirement. So you are studying a topic, but the first person, the expert in your field is your supervisor. The second one is your panel. How to make sure every single thing, every single sentence, every single paragraph will be accept and agree with your expert, which is your supervisor and the panels. So that's a most crucial and challenge part in order to write, to fulfill the style and acceptable things from your expert. That's the challenge. So that's why this from a collection of the thesis, we assist you in order to write sentence by sentence and paragraph by paragraph, section by section, and chapter by chapter in order to complete the full set of the thesis. So what is thesis all about? So that's why you need to refer a thesis. It's not just only a thesis. You can also read the article, but mostly for me, the most important is thesis. Second is article journal. But I still believe we can get a lot of things on the article journal. Inshallah, for the next weeks, we are cover for the article journal database. I will teach you how to get the article journal. Okay, so this week cover the thesis, next week cover on the article journal. Okay, the following week that we start to cover on the chapter 1, how to write in the chapter introduction on the 3rd weeks. Okay, any questions, please? Any question? If you have question, you can ask. Okay. Hopefully, everyone and saya I'm doa also. Hopefully, everyone of you can get more matchings, more and more suitable relevance in your topic, and then you can know that the mostly research activity. I have some issues for here. For example, the student mentioned, I want to study a case study. So, okay, it's okay. If you want to study case study, okay, never mind. Okay. So your objective number 1 is what? So you want to, for example, you want to explore. Okay. How to do a research explore? You have any example thesis? Their objective also to explore. So you need to know that the activity. Okay. If you want to study to identify the level, what step? If you want to study to identify the level. If you want to study to determine the effect, what the process in order to determine the effects? Step 1, step 2, step 3. How to write, how to design. So this, how to collect the data, how to analyze. That's the most important thing. So that's why I need you refer a thesis to check please find that thesis same with your research objective. It's not just only thing that find that the similar topic in your topic. Okay, that's the most important thing. That's why in my case, for example, in 2008, my thesis, okay, I have 3 theses actually. 1 thesis from the UK, 1 thesis from the Hong Kong, 1 thesis from the Malaysia. Objective number 1, I'm refer thesis from the Hong Kong. My objective number 1, I refer same objective in the Hong Kong. My objective number 2, I refer in thesis in Malaysia. My objective number 3, I refer one thesis from the UK. So I have 3 theses. Just I follow one of total hypothesis. So for example, in the UK, they have 4 hypotheses. 4 objectives. I just follow their objective number 2 in my 3rd objective. So that's very important because their objective to develop and validate a system. So my 3rd objective is to develop and validate system. So my objective is similar to the thesis from the UK. So my objective number 1, to identify critical success factors. My objective number 1, similar with the thesis from the Hong Kong. Their objective number 1. So their objective number 1 is similar my objective number 1. So I can know, I can understand, I can learn how to do a research on to identify a critical success factors. Okay, objective number 2 is to investigate the effects, direct effect and indirect effect. So in order to complete my objective number 2, I already find 1 thesis from Malaysia in their objective number 3. So their objective number 3 is aligned with my objective number 2. So topics difference. Actually, they develop and validate new other topic. My topic is different. Objective number 1, identify critical success factor. I study Lean Six Sigma, they study another topic. It's okay. Whatever topic they cover, it's okay. But the most important thing is direction. How do the research on the keywords? Identify critical success factor. That the keywords. To determine effect, indirect effect or indirect effect and indirect effect. That's the keywords. To develop and validate system, that the keyword. So we need to find that thesis that related with our objective. That the most important. So if the student see me and discuss with me, I will discuss what actually research you want to do. So I want to explore. How do you want to explore? You already find that a thesis to write explore. So I go through very detailed in every objective, research objective. How do the research on the objective number 1? How do research on the objective number 2? So in this matter, if you can get the research, can get the thesis, we will be assist you in order to do a research. Okay. Okay. Some people ask me about the attendance. So for me, attendance is very simple because I will be share screens. For example, I just click participant. We have 13. I make it print screen. So this our class today is we have 13 people. Please make sure, please write down you clearly name. So here we have today's our attendant have Ali Sobai, Chen Zijian, Hana, Izati, Muhammad Hafiq, Mustafa Arkan, Nur Fazrin, Nurul Ashikin, Saiful Hanif, Sultan Azabi, Shahrizat binti Abdul Razak, Vivo. So I'm not sure the right name of the Vivo. Please, next class, please write down your exactly your name. Okay, because I will be print screen all the attendant from this platform Zoom. Okay, so today we have only 12 people join our class. So we still missing a lot. So she's not. So we missing around 16 students not join on our first class. Okay, please make sure everyone will be joined for the next class after this. Okay, so for me, attendance is quite very important lah, because this is another attitude you need to show that this is because I'm student, so I need to learn many things about the research. So discuss about business research method. So we need to learn all the process on the thesis writing and the research method also. I have questions. What's the control, the selection or topic for the research in order to words that can make my research more rich and useful content? Okay, Ali Sobai, no shortcut here. Okay, the best part, you use the advanced search. Okay, you find that what exactly you need to find. Okay, you search your keyword maybe related on your research. For example, you want to study qualitative, so your topic is, for example, supply chains. So second keyword is qualitative, because you want to study more on performance. You bring three keywords. First keyword supply chain, second keyword is qualitative, third keyword is performance. So once you use more than one keyword, it exactly try to assist you to find related thesis. But sometimes, Ali Sobai, sometimes searching by words. Sometimes you can find that the topic is similar what actually you try to find, meaning that they're searching by the title, but suddenly you cannot find the objective. For me, the most important thing when I can get the thesis, okay, the topic is okay, so just related, just enough. In the first thing first, I can find that the thesis some that related is okay. That I need to check the objective. For me, every single thesis, I need to check their objective. If their objective is similar with my research objective, I can download and make it copy in my folder. So this, for example, this thesis for my objective number 1. So I have folder objective number 1, objective number 2, objective number 3. For example, thesis objective number 1, thesis objective number 2. So I have collector, I have thesis. Okay, for do a research in objective number 1, this is a thesis. So that the way that I'm do. So no shortcut actually. So every single the title that I think that quite relevant and related, I download. Then I just to review, so I can see the objective. So if this objective is related on my study, so as I need to download and copy in my specific folder. For example, chapter 1 is, in objective 1 is objective 1. So just in case, little bit we can see that your title and another title is quite same. When you check when you check their objective is not similar with our objective, I just copy and download. So maybe I put the folder is KIV. So KIV. So meaning that yes, this thesis is related on your topic, but it's not meshed in your research objective. Some that happen to the student. You can find the thesis that quite similar topic in your studies, but different research objective. So in this part, for me, not assist more. They not help more to you, because their topic is same, but our objective is different. In research, the most important thing, we need to find a same objective. It's not same topics. Okay. But it's still in business and management area. So you need to find the thesis in a business and management area, but in different topic. But we actually similar direction on the research objective. Or sometimes we call that research direction is research activities. Okay, and another questions? Thank you, Ali Sobai, because your feedbacks from you also. I have three, 4 times you ask this in this chat area. Thank you very much. Your commitments. Okay. Another questions? Okay. So I already share the slide in the WhatsApp group. Okay. After this, I will share the video also. You can refer the video again if you want to see the video. Okay. Please make it explore. So this is your homework. The first homeworks. This is actually self homework lah. This is for you actually. So your self beneficials. It's not assignment, but for me, if you want to be good researcher, and so I hope so you can explore this 31 database. Okay, for the next week we try to cover another platform that we call that database on the article journal. Okay, how to find high impact topic? That I already give you the 31 database. It depends to you how to know the high impact topic. High impact topic is based on your definitions. What is your definition on the high impact? For me, the most high impact is practically. For me, high impact is practically. So that's research can be applied to industry. So that's my aim. So that's my definition of high impact. Some people, when you discuss with supervisor, the definition of high impact is meaning that trend. What is exactly current trends? Those who give the impacts. But for me, as the student asked me, what is meaning high impact is practically. So for me, if you want to make an impact, every single thesis should be give to the peoples, communities, society, industrial, governments. So that will be, it's not just only referral, maybe there can be use your thesis on the practical way. Okay, how to get published in Q1 journal. So this matter we discuss next week. The most important thing, our class is not publish article. Okay, our class is not supposedly to cover on how to publish article, but in our class is learn about business research method. So the most important thing, so our class, okay, to find that the good article journal. So I can share a little bit how to publish Q1 journal, but the most important thing, because this class should be for semester 1 and semester 2. So I believe that all the students is still new. So there will be known that how to find good thesis and good article journal. So the question from the Mustafa, which can publish in Q1 journal. Okay, if you want to publish Q1 journal, please submit in the top publisher. You can go to the library. So when you go to the library, you can know that the online access, what type of the publisher. So I encourage Mustafa, if you want to publish Q1 journal, please submit in the publisher sign direct. Emerald, Taylor and Francis, Springer, in the Science, Sage, Willie, that the established journal. Don't send to publish the Q1 journal, the paid journal. Don't pay the journal. So you want to submit journal is free. So submit in the top publisher, because top publisher submission is free. Don't waste your money to send the article journal. So you think that this is a Q1 journal, but you need to pay. For me, paid journal is not really established. Please send the article journal that the established platform and publisher. Okay. Okay, it depends. Okay, Hannah asked. Okay, I already give a slide. You can write down the link and from the website, or you can write also the name of the journal. Maybe if you write the name of the journal, maybe you need to scroll, you need to find which the exactly link. But you can also use my link in order to make it fast to find that the suitable ETD, electronic thesis dissertation repository website. So that's important. That's why in this slide I share the link to easy to us to find that exactly website in order to make it search, and either new search or advanced search. How to write thesis in reference? Okay, the most important thing, the question from the Hannah, when we refer thesis, then we try to make it citation. Everyone here should be download. You need to go through the IPS website, our UPSI IPS website. So you need to download your thesis guideline. From UPSI thesis guideline, will teach you how to write a reference. Please follow UPSI formats. So please go to the website IPS UPSI. Please download our thesis guideline. From this our thesis guideline, that will give you example how to make it citation on the thesis reference. And please follow our UPSI format. Anything questions? Anything question before we make it stop for the first week and in this topic on the thesis database? Anything you want to ask? Okay. Thank you for your commitment for the first week to join this class. Okay, to learn something. I'm not an expert, so I just to share whatever I know that this topic. So in this matter on the database thesis, whatever I know, I share with you. So that's the most important thing. Okay. What will be requested in the first semester? Okay, first semester, everything, Hannah, everything you need to discuss with your supervisor. So your supervisor will guide you what is actually achievement for the first semester, because you need to submit your progress report. So a progress report is evaluated by your supervisor. Supervisor will give you pass or not. Okay, so in order to pass in this first semester, you need to refer your supervisor and get your supervisor directions in order to complete your class and you complete on your program. Okay. So, but in this class, I will give you assignments, the very basic assignments. So I will be share with you for the next class. For me, because I need to everyone join already, because I cannot repeat the same things, repeat and repeat. We discuss together every week, share a same methods. I need everyone join our class. Then after that, I will be explain what exactly our task, our assignment on this class, business research method. I really hope next week. I hope next week everyone, 28 students will be join our class. Then I will be explain what is actually your task and your assignment. So this assignment will help you in the first semester in order to have at least draft research proposal. We call that draft research proposal. And then I give you a template how to write a thesis, chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3. I give you very simple, easy template in order to start. We call that good start on your thesis. I give you template, how and why and what's actually you need to write in chapter 1. So I give you template in order to make it easy to clearly and understand what should be I'm write in chapter 1, chapter 2, and chapter 3. So this matter will be discussed after we done on the database. So today database thesis, next week database articles. The third week we start to learn about what is the chapter 1. Chapter 1 is introduction. So I give you the template to make it easy to understand. So this template also one of your assignments. So you get both. You learn and then do assignment also. Jadi just for me is quite practically whatever you do related on your thesis, PhD or thesis master as your assignment also. Okay. Yep, everything. When you start register PhD, you need have communication with your supervisor. That's actually must. Okay. My study, I have appointment with my supervisor every Friday. Every Friday, 3 to the 4:30 p.m. every weeks. That's my appointment with my supervisor. So meaning that at least my communications with my supervisor is every weeks. So you need to have discuss everything, your make a decision, anything you want to plan, whatever you want to do, you need to approval your supervisor. This is Malaysia. I think that Malaysia is quite flexible. If you want to study in overseas, if you want to make it holiday, also you need to ask your supervisor. You want to make it some break, also you need to get the permission from the supervisor. But in Malaysia, little bit we are flexible, but the most important thing, you need to communicate with your supervisor. Yes, your assignment is part on your research. Yes. Okay, everyone just do a assignment based on your thesis topic, your own thesis topics. Yes, I'm agree that the flow that we need to follow. Everyone do assignment based on your research topic. Okay. Anything you want to ask? It's okay. It's not just only for this night, okay? This class only. You can still ask in the WhatsApp group. Whatever the question you want to ask, you please can ask in the WhatsApp groups. Don't to be shy, okay? Anything if you think that you need to ask. So that related on your PhD, on your master, and then this part of the class. Meaning that our class not just only learn about the method, but we need to learn how to write a thesis, chapter 1, chapter 2, and chapter 3. So before we go through the rigorously on research methodology, in this class also we discuss on the database article, database thesis, how to write chapter 1, how to write chapter 2. Then we discuss on the how to write chapter 3, and we learn about research methodology. Okay, this class actually mostly we cover on the research methodology, meaning that's chapter 3. So we are not cover on the analysis part, on the discussion part, on conclusion part. So this class only covered on the research methodology. So if you want to learn about analysis, you need to join a class for analysis. In our faculty, we have class on analysis. You can join for the analysis on the quantitative analysis or the qualitative analysis. You can register. But this matter, in this class, business research method, we end until on the research methodology part. Okay. So analysis, discussion, and conclusion chapter, we are not covered on this class. Okay. Mostly in chapter 1, chapter 2, and chapter 3. So because we have another class for the analysis, please join audit class for the qualitative and quantitative class. Okay. Yes, all the video will be shared on the YouTube link. Okay, I will be download and share with the YouTube. I give the YouTube link in our WhatsApp group. Okay, this platform, we call that this platform Pakcik Under Construction TV is not actually this is not a we call that commercial YouTube. So whatever I have class on the master or PhD class, I'm just share no edit at all, no edit at all. Whatever we are record in this class, I will be share in this platform. I just use this platform Pakcik Under Construction TV to share all the class, all the material on the in our class is business research method will be covered, will be shared in this platform also. I give the link after we done to upload in this platform YouTube's. Okay, don't worry. Every class I give you the slide and also the video recording also. Okay, if you don't have question, thank you very much your today commitment. So we hope so you can get benefits and from this sharing, so everyone can be explored, can happy in these first weeks. Okay, for the next week, I need your commitment also to join this class. Okay, our time is also same. We start on the 8 p.m. until we complete our objective. Then we can go through week by week. I hope so this class will be assist you in order to at least prepare for your proposal defense and then continue to complete and submit your thesis. Okay, thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And then good evening and good night actually. Okay, thank you everyone.